From the renowned house of LGB, manufacturers of OEM spares for the motorcycle segment, now comes quality spares for the scooter segment. In a scooter variator assembly, parts need to be at a higher accuracies and precise dimensions. Failure of one part could lead to failure of another and the entire system might collapse. Whereas for Rolon, it is never a big challenge to produce such precise parts because Rolon's philosophy stands: never compromise quality. Each product is manufactured under stringent quality controls. A view of the manufacturing of CWR and its testing process. Now we take you through the manufacturing process of face comb. A look at the manufacturing process of green bush. Let us take a look at the clutch slider or V-bush manufacturing process. A brief look at the starter pinion gear drive. Every product undergoes stringent field tests on the track. These tests should return nil defects. Else, the whole process of product development is repeated with corrections. The more tough the tests are conducted, more peace of mind for the end customers who use these components. Although all these tests are done in-house, ultimate certification of the product is from mechanics and garage owners. Only after mechanics certify the product, the spares will be introduced in the market. Rolon, the most trusted brand.